morning. So we're here at Kokocrater. So I have Daniel, Eric, and Jazz. They both didn't do Kokocrater, so they're virgins. So at least I can get some first impressions of this hike. I don't consider this as a hike because it's a stairmaster. It's more of just a workout. Very cardio type. Usually it takes about 20 to 40 minutes. I'd say 30 minutes up, but we'll see. I like the weather so far. It's pretty good. We got parking. It's about 7:30 right now. Again, we caught it where people are coming down from sunrise and all. Oh, what is that QR code? That's pretty cool. So it's always hot over here, so it's important to be covered up and wear sunscreen. But yeah, this is just stairs. How are you doing?
This sucks. Who does this?
Thanks guys for joining me. Just wanted to get some first timers on this trail.
Who enjoys doing this? I have a stairmaster at work I could feel like this. Where's the native plants? Oh, look, it's
cute.
Tired? That's a lot of stairs already.
What were you saying earlier about how you weren't used to with the heavy crowds?
So I'm not used to being hiking around that many people. So it's good to remember my hiking etiquette. Make sure I stop on the side to take a break instead of in the middle of the trail. Watch out for slow hikers, watch out for fast hikers. But at least it's a nice day.
Right before 15 is probably the section where you get the pukas and the stairs. I like how there's the signs. There's a contour too.
I took a picture too.
Yeah, it's funny with the word damn. Yeah. Emphasize it. Okay, this is the hardest part. You just gotta watch where you're going because there's pukas. It's not that bad.
Things are slippery. They're wet. So you gotta be careful with these flat on these things.
Alright, so I'm all drenched. Well, I think you can tell from Daniel more. It's hot. It's only cloudy too. It's not even sunny. So imagine on a hot day. But they put a flat step above the stair. And then it kind of stops here. We're right there. You can see the building. Very killer cardio. Even a lot of visitors coming up and saying, this is not a hike. Again, it's a stairmaster. Right there. Great, Jazz. How's your first time up here? How do you feel?
Tiring.
Not even. You were the first one up here.
my legs felt very worn out.
But it's a nice day. It's clear. That sound you hear is a shooting range. That's the Kokohead shooting range. You can see Diamond Head. Let me see it. Diamond Head from up afar. Yeah, I'm an idiot for not bringing my phone because I would have got nice drone footage today. Of course, Eric and Daniel took another route to get up here. We're not really on top of the stairs, but more on the rim. So it's actually called Kokocrater and not Kokohead, because when you get to the top, it's a crater. That you see right here, that's Kokohead. It's called Kokohead because we park at the Kokohead District Park. That's probably why people get that name. once you get to the top of the stairs, there's a bunch of bunkers. Alright guys, we're right at the bottom of the stairs. We're legit almost there. Yeah, this is sore on your knees coming down, so it might be best to get like a hiking stick, but at least it's faster coming down just because of gravity and there's steps. The only thing is, I love what Kokonut Koalition, the volunteer group, did. They widened the trail, they put so much gravel, they even elevated the steps, so thank you. You made it much more safer for everyone, so it's awesome. Now that you guys are officially finished with the trail, it's your guys' first time. How did you guys feel?
Tired, but it was nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's a stairmaster and a sauna. Just FYI. Like and subscribe.
Downhill was really nice. Nice view. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll do another video.
Next time on
Yeah.
Kokohead, right?
Yeah, next time.
Alright, that wraps up the video. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, just stay prepared when you're on the stairs. It's scorching hot right now. That's why it's best to start this hike really early. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Aloha.